Our minds are like a road map, with a complex network of pathways connecting areas of our brain. Audio sounds going through your mind stimulate the neural pathways that permeate in your brain. Once absorbed, they shift your mind from negative patterns of behavior into thoughts that are positive and constructive.
I want to explain what's going to happen. You're going to relax, and it's going to open up the back of your brain, the back of your mind. We're going to get in there and take out anything that may have started in your mother's womb, and we're going to take out any negative suggestions or experiences or problems you've had, and we're going to put in a new chip, a new program.